Alright, this is a negative product review for the cheap eBay T5, whether it be GM or Ford, countershaft bearing retainer. So that provides support for the countershaft on its, it's down, up and down movement. Pretty good kit. 4 bolts that are recessed to fit in there. Looks good enough, right? Good set of shims in varying capacities and thicknesses. Now, to show this, here's our 5th gear. I've done this a couple times mocking it up already, so trust me on this. Spins quietly, no problem, right? Okay, let's take this off, and we'll try to assemble this with one hand. No bearings in there to say it's spaced out. If you look closely, I'll try to get a different angle in here. If you look really close, 3 of the bolt holes almost line up well. But then the one at 10 o'clock is way off. Hopefully that's able to see. So, let's torque it down. Again with one hand here. I need an assistant. Make this life so much easier. Bear with me here. Let's even give it an advantage and put this one down first. And we'll go to the next one. Go here. And alright, again, one-handed. Let's try to get a little torque on here. Okay. Keep that together, guys. Alright. So those are nice and snug. Let's give them another bounce just to make sure. Okay. Now, let's lay our 5th gear on. Hear it? Hear that drag? I don't know if you can really see. But it rubs. Okay, and it's really just the bolt heads. They're standing proud instead of recessed like they should be. You can even take a little bit of a straight edge. No problem there, but when you go to this side, standing tall. Standing tall. But it's a little tall there. If you just use your fingernail, you can see how high they stand on that side. Again, that side's okay. It's okay over here, but then tall right there. A little lip there. But pretty flush there. So, anyway, that's what you get for a cheap eBay T5 countershaft bearing retainer. If you want a quality product that I've used before, go to 5speeds.com and they will have one that works perfectly with 0 5th gear interference. So we'll chalk this up to a burnt $32 and go pay $50 for Paul's proper made in the USA countershaft bearing retainer. Thanks for watching.